AET's piping and valve array system provides first responders and hazmat technicians multiple realistic leak scenarios, from 3/4 to 12-inch pipe, allowing for permanent and non-permanent leak mitigation.
We are now going to attack the leak in the center of the weld and the 12-inch pipe using some neoprene closed cell foam, which I've pre-cut, and some neoprene rubber. So I'm going to start by placing everything on top, and we're going to slide it around to put it into place. We're going to snug up the strap until the leak is stopped.